What's up guys, Trey here with Speed Shield. I thought I'd bring you guys just a quick little video of this S2000 that we've been unwrapping. I think you guys have seen it in a couple of our past few walkthroughs. We've got all of the wrap off and we're starting to paint correct this sucker. And we did a 50-50 right back here on the rear deck so that you can kind of see what the paint correction is achieving on this thing. So oftentimes when you take a wrap off, you have to use a degreaser or some sort of chemical to remove any residual adhesive, and that's indicative right there of what the adhesive looks like. So you end up having a pretty swirled up paint job. And I think it's picking those swirl marks up. Yeah, you can definitely see it. And a lot of this may have been an insufficient prep before the wrap was put on. Typically, we recommend prepping a vehicle for wrap just like we do for clear bra, which is starting with as good of a canvas as you can possibly start with. That makes removal later on down the road much easier, much more simple, and much less detrimental to the paint of the vehicle. So on this left-hand side, you can see what we found when we took the wrap off. And on this right-hand side, you can see what it looks like after we have done some multi-step paint correcting. And this is prior to the polish step. This is simply compounding. You can even see that we're making this plastic reverse light look a lot better as well. If it'll focus on that. There we go. So you can see right here where it starts to get into the weathered part of it. And this right here was not because of the wrap. This is just normal washing, normal weathering, normal wear and tear on a vehicle right there. So we're gonna go throughout this whole vehicle and paint correct it just like that. Marshall's over here just hustling away at this thing, doing a fantastic job. He's doing compounding right now, and then we'll come back on our last final step and do polishing. But this baby is gonna look stellar compared to what it did with that wrap on. We also threw the original front bumper on this thing, and we're gonna do some paint correction to it as well. So this thing is definitely gonna look nice and shiny when we get done with it. Paint correction is a very popular service from us, whether it be brand new cars that we're prepping for a clear bra or wrap, or older vehicles that have some wear and tear. They come to us wanting to gloss up that original clear coat. And we can do it with multi-steps and single steps and anything in between. Like always, we say jump on our website, speedshieldUSA.com. If you're interested in seeing these products or seeing any of these projects in the process, jump on there, create a little private design session for yourself. We've got a bunch of different scheduling opportunities laid out on our website. You can go on there at any time, select a time that is convenient for you, swing on by at that time, and we can show you all about the services and give you pricing on all this type of stuff. But we're looking forward to seeing this thing completed, beautiful, shiny, and back on the road. Till next time, Speed Shield. Have fun out there. Stay protected. Later.